Good morning, my name's Richard. I'm a sewer sleuth. Today I'm at property address 33056 Northwest Sandberg Road in Scappoose, Oregon. Located at the rear of the property where outside the foundation there's a 3-inch cast iron cleanout. This is going to be my point of access. Going to insert the camera here and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We currently have a home inspection going on, so there will be water running through the pipe during the inspection. If it interferes with my camera, I will ask to shut off the water, but here we go. Okay, it transitions over from cast to concrete at 75 feet from our point of access. So far everything's looking good. Looks like it's draining out properly from the water flowing. We'll continue out in the concrete, evaluate that, and try to make it all the way to the lateral. Looks like it goes out the rear of the property. You can see everything's draining out of the flow line, and that there's no root intrusion or any kind of breaks in the pipe. There is the main 116 feet from our point of access. Sewer looks good.